Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a long-term work visa to Austria. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply visa for any country, the very first thing you need to do is to find out whether based on your nationality, duration and purpose, you do need a visa or not. And once you identify that yes, you need to, then always check the requirements from the official sources that cover the region, the location where you are, because based on your location or region, there could be specific requirements and process. All right, guys. So let's proceed, guys. So guys, in front of you, I have opened official Austrian Embassy New Delhi site. Let's say you are an Indian citizen who lives in India, okay? And you don't have any relatives in European countries like UK, Switzerland, and other places, okay? Now, so for long term, we apply D visa. This is called national visa, and you can stay, okay, up to 6 months, okay? Up to 6 months on this. Now, but if you're going for long term work permit, like let's say you want to work for 2 years, 3 years, okay, how would you like work if it's valid for 6 months? Then you have to go for the residence permit. Okay, we won't go much into this residence permit in this video. We'll go to go to this in some other video, but right now we'll limit ourselves to D visa. All right. So how to apply? The general information. See, in this location, I mean in India, it is outsourced to VFS. Okay, and for everything they have given the information. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go to VFS site and from there we will check more. All right. All right. So here is the VFS site. So 4 steps: apply, book, find center, and if granted. All right. So we'll start from here. Identify the visa type. We'll go. So let's go. Long-term visa. We'll go for work visa. Okay. Labor Market Service AMS is required. Okay. Visa fee is given here. Document required will go through. Photo specification is given here. Processing time 15 and it may go to 30, but what happens, like, it varies case by case. In some cases it may take even more, because sometimes what happens is um like based on your case, based on your situation, there could be additional needs, additional requirements. In very rare cases, uh, they may call you for an interview also. So you should be ready, but most of the cases are processed within the time frame, no doubt. All right, then this is the form. D visa, will go through all of that, but first let's go through the document required. Checklist. Application form, English, German, passport, at least 3 months after the intended date of departure, and some other criteria. 2 photographs, we have already seen photographic criteria. Valid permit to return, if applicable, like if let's say if you're a foreign citizen living in India, in that case it covers. Cover letter, okay. Document round trip file, reservation, proof of accommodation, travel, medical insurance, 30,000 euros. This I see in almost all European countries. Proof of occupation, okay. If they have given information for employed, self-employed, and even for student also. So that's fine. Now for proof of last 3 funds, last 3 months bank statement, and last 3 years ITR, and Labor Market Authority AMS. So this also we see here. A letter of support from Austrian employer and copy of her contract. Okay, passport, contact details of applicant. Perfect. All right, now fee we have seen. They have given for adult. This is the fee and its conversion in Indian currency. But yes, there are service charges for VFS also, and some services are optional. So it's up to you if you want to take. Download forms. Okay, let's open. Okay, so here's photo. This is for official use only, so don't bother about this. Now your surname and birth, first name, given name, date of birth. Make sure these things match your documents like your passport so that you don't come across any issue. This is in English also. This is if different from, okay. Type of document, provide that information. Purpose of the journey, how many entries you are requesting. And then for previous visa, okay, proof means of support, how you are going to support yourself, funds. And once you are through all of that, date and signature. So it's pretty simple. Then declaration and undertaking. Okay, it's also very simple form. I don't have to explain this. Disclaimer. This for VFS guys. This is also very simple. And finally, consent form. This is also very simple consent form that they will be doing this. So you got an idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.